Please like and subscribe.
Let's let the animals come sing along. Big ones, small ones, they all belong. Say their names and don't be shy. Let's give it a try. Here's a dog, it says ruff ruff. Friendly and furry, not aloof. Dog, dog, say it loud. Dogs make us happy, they make us proud. Here's a cat, it says meow meow. Soft and purring, hear it now. Cat, cat, say it clear. Cats are cuddly and always near. Here's an elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. Elephant, elephant, say it slow. They love the water, just so you know. Let's let the animals come sing along. Big ones, small ones, they all belong. Say their names and don't be shy. Let's give it a try. Here's the Lion King of the land, with a golden mane so grand. Lion, lion, hear it roar. Lions are brave forevermore. Here's a monkey swinging free, climbing up the tallest tree. Monkey, monkey, let's all say, monkeys play around all day. Here's a giraffe with a neck so tall, reaching leaves that grow up high. Giraffe, giraffe, stretch up high, so reach the trees and touch the sky. Let's let the animals come sing along. Big ones, small ones, they all belong. Say their names and don't be shy. Let's give it a try. Here's a penguin in the snow, waddling fast to and fro. Penguin, penguin in the cold, they're brave and strong, young and old. Here's a zebra, black and white, with stripes that look so bright. Zebra, zebra, running free in the grass, so wild and free. Here's a bear with a big brown nose, in the woods where berries grow. Bears, say it right. Bears love honey day and night. Let's let the animals come sing along. Big ones, small ones, they all belong. Say their names and don't be shy. Let's give it a try. Here's a fox, clever and sly, with a bushy tail and twinkle in its eye. Fox, fox in the night. Foxes are quick and out of sight. Here's a rabbit, hop, 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 eating carrots, it won't stop. Rabbit, rabbit, soft and light, hopping around from left to right. Here's a dolphin in the sea, jumping high, so wild and free. Dolphin, dolphin, say it clear, swimming fast, they're always near. Let's let the animals come sing along. Big ones, small ones, they all belong. Say their names and don't be shy. Let's give it a try.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.